Fish on! Fish on! Woo! That was awesome. That's awesome! That's awesome. LiveScope. LiveScope action.
Oh, the bottle is so many. Dude, my fish on too. My fish on.
Second fish. Doubled up. Multitask here.
Not that bad. Oh my god!
Big perch. Nice perch.
Whoa!
Look at that. Ooh,
Oh my god!
LiveScope action, everybody. That's
Look
awesome.
at that! Look at that!
That's a nice perch.
5 minutes later.
你这个是肯定贴了笔。缺线，缺线，缺线，缺线。
Come on.
Patient. Hey,
Oh my god.
Hey, come back again. Let her eat. Eat it.
Fish on. Oh.
Gotcha.
Woo.
Gotcha.
Fish on. Wow, he like chased it all the way up to the top. Nice Tulibi. Another one. Nice Tulibi.
Ooh.
We'll keep this one for burbot fishing and lake trout. All right. That's awesome.
A few moments later.
Another Tulibi, also known as Cisco.
I'm get fish on too.
Doubled again.
Ooh.
Another walleye. Ooh,
Why?
nice.
But it's baby again.
Show it to the camera. Doubled up.
Yup.
LiveScope action. Nice. Boy, he swallowed. We'll give it a nice release here. Walleye back down the hole. And Cisco is bleeding a little bit, so maybe we'll keep him for bait. Alright. Nice. Very good.
Later.
Fish on! I think this is a walleye.
Not small.
Gotta be careful here.
Not bad. It's terrible.
Oh my! Big. Oh, it's alright. Walleye.
Oh.
A little bit bigger.
好了，用我手机拍。Oh.
Nice one.
That's good to eat.
This is one of the better ones today. Yeah, he didn't really hesitate too much. It's perfect eater here. You don't want to eat anything too big, and yeah, we'll keep this one for supper. Awesome.
Meanwhile.
Fogged up, whiteout outside. Couple more tents showed up. We were the first one here this morning. There's about 5 shacks now. One behind the blue one. It was didn't start snowing until we got here. It's about an inch of snow now. We've caught a few fish. Got some tulipies, also called Cisco, for bait. Here's our shack. It's my fishing partner here. Then show you the inside. We got pretty nice setup here. I'm sitting there, sitting here, got a few hose, heater on. Most important, we got that LiveScope going. This thing is an absolute beast. Such a cheat code. Got my auger sitting inside, babying it. Yeah, I got my rod hanging here down the hole, looking at the LiveScope. Pretty dialed.
然后鸡腿，
鸡腿。
我有碗哦，真的有饭哦。
没事，可以了。
那你看，听到声音吗？它是就是真空的那种感觉，还是很热，热乎乎的。
是啊，太享受了。We're on Echo Lake today, and it's December the 20th, and we're gonna see how thick the ice is. Just gonna use the ladle here, hook onto the bottom. Quite a bit. Yesterday, I actually saw somebody driving their truck on the ice. So. We have about 14 inches already. Yeah, we have about 14 inches today. Wow. It's almost ready for driving on the ice. Perfect.
有一条鱼在上面很大，应该是揉过我这边，路过，你放不放的？那慢慢往前一点。
能不能把它弄过来？
12 seconds later.
Fish on!
Fish on! Oh, it's a pretty big one.
Pretty big. I want a small one.
Not bad, not bad. We'll let this one go. Let him go, let him grow. Alright, chasing it. Chasing it. Come on. Fish on. Fish on. Another tulipi. Feels big. Feels very big. Feels giant.
Is Terry? Or Jack?
Is it Jack?
I think it's Jack.
Maybe I foul hooked it.
Oh, that's why. The gale.
I hooked it.
The gale.
I hooked it on the side. Woo! Came back backwards. Nice. We'll let this guy go. Thought something was weird. It didn't feel right. Nice Cisco, we'll let him go. There he goes. Nice.
Epilogue.
大家
係
好啦，
We like all sizes of it. Nice.
job, eh?
Kicked off strong. Perfect. Oh, see, look at the walleye swimming down. He swam right down to the bottom.
It's on.
There he goes. Beautiful out. Beautiful. Love it.